Hey guys, oh my god, so welcome back, welcome if you're new. So I'm super excited today because I got my first ever PR package yesterday, and I'm so excited and so grateful. Novo Ovo Nails was kind enough to let me pick something out, so we're gonna open this up right away because I literally can't wait another second. So okay, oh my god, I'm so excited. These are so cute. So I chose the extra short full cover duck tips. There are 120 pieces in here. These are available on Amazon and they do have their own website as well. I'm gonna link everything down below. So this packaging is so cute. You guys know I love pink. So this is just really pleasing to me. So here we have Novo Ovo, dedicated for professional and DIYers. They have their website, Instagram, and their email. And it's just a nice little case here with a little cute card. Very nice. Oh my god, these are so nice. The only duck tips I've ever tried before were ones I got for $1 on Temu or Shein. I can't even remember, but these, oh my gosh, they look really, really nice, like the curve and the sharpness of them. So let's grab one out. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh, these are the perfect short length. I can't wait to make something so super cute with these. I'm all excited. So I don't even know if I said that they are retailing for $9.99. So let's take out the biggest size and the smallest size just to get a nice look at them. They are shaped absolutely beautifully. Like oh my gosh. The tip of them has that nice cut to it that my other set definitely did not have. So I'm really, really excited. These look super, super promising, and they're really nice and clear. So that's the 0, that's an 11, so it goes from 0 to 11. What else did I want to say before I forget? Obviously everything's going to be linked down below. We're going to make a super cute set with these. I'm really excited because I want to go all out with these. And I did see that they do have extra long full cover duck nail tips. They have tips. They have Russian almond nails, which also caught my eye. Like tons of things were catching my eye. They have a lot of like different products that you don't necessarily see anywhere else. They had like, I think it was 10XL, I don't know, literally like the longest full cover tips stilettos I've ever seen. So I was just really excited that this brand was willing to work with me, because I do love some different nails. You know, something that's a little bit out of the ordinary. So I'm just gonna size these out to fit me and we're gonna get started. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, so off camera, I've sized them out, buffed them, and they're all ready, and I'm just placing them on my nail stands to get started. I did speed this video up because it was getting kind of long, and it's honestly a simple design that you can do super easy, which you'll see. So I'm starting with a jelly black from my Lily Cute polish kit, which you can get on Amazon, and I am doing one coat on the thumb, middle finger, and the pinky, and then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. So, funny thing happened to me today while we're here. I was washing my glasses because they were really gross, and I actually snapped them in half. I was so upset, my clear ones, but I have like 4 other pairs of glasses, so I'm good. I'm not gonna like go blind, but I'm so sad. I need to order another pair off of Zenny for sure. I hope they still have those. But yeah, so we're doing the other hand here at the same time. That's why I sped it up, so we can like, you know, get going. Here I'm using a Saviland Milky White, and I'm doing one coat on the ring and the pointer finger on both hands. And I'm going to cure that as well for 30 seconds. This set, wait till you see at the very end, it came out so very cute. I love these nails. I can't wait to use them again for another set, like more of a colorful, maybe like French tip look. I think would look really nice. But yeah, thank you so much, Novo Ovo, for sending these over to me to try out. I'm beyond thrilled with them. Now I'm taking a Model 1's, like a black glitter polish, and I'm just doing one coat over the ones that I made jelly black, just because I thought they needed something a little extra. And I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds and repeat it on the other hand. Oh, but first, I'm doing a nice layer of base coat. This is honestly like my favorite thing ever now. I'm using base coat as blooming gel because I don't have blooming gel. So yes, and I'm just taking a black Model 1's polish and making like 5 dots. And look how beautiful that is. It's so easy. It looks like you tried way harder than you did, which I love. So I'm just, like I said, doing that. Same sparkly black on the black nails, and then I am going to do the blooming gel base coat little nail art hack. I wanted to do something different with this set. I was trying to go for like a semi-goth aesthetic, if I can say that word, because I've just been like dying for some like goth nails, but I'm not sure if they're exactly what I was meaning, but they came out really cute. I still want to do super goth nails. I feel like to get the full effect, a goth nail kind of needs to be a stiletto, but that might just be my personal taste. So what I'm doing here again is I'm going over with a layer of base coat on the sparkly nails, and then I'm taking the black and doing a different just design with like 3 dots in a row to let them bloom out. I just thought it created like a nice texture. I don't know, I love it. I think it came out really cute. And I'm gonna let that bloom for a second, and I will cure that for 60 seconds. So here we are, super cute design. I could have left it just like this. I am now taking just a little nail glue gel, and I'm gonna take some of these rhinestones. I'm going from the black with the purple shift to a flat black and repeating that. I use 4 on each nail, and I'm kind of trying to go in like a curved design. I should have zoomed in a bit more, and then I flash cure. And I will of course do a full cure. I'm repeating that same thing on the ring finger. And I honestly don't know what happened to the clip where I add something to the middle finger. I end up adding like a little sparkly black purple shifty, oh my god, I can't talk, a flower to the middle finger, and I don't know where the clip went, but that is what I do. And on the thumb and the pinky, I just add 1 of the purple shifty, they're kind of like oil slick rhinestones, and I flash cure, full cure, you know the drill, guys. Super cute. And there's that little flower. I did add that, and now I'm gonna put them on. So here's the finished set. I'm beyond thrilled with them. I love how glossy they are, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.